Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidal Keys. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to play hand bass on keyboard part 3. I want to play it with a song that I will break it down proper. After I play this song, the steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. So see the progression of the song. By the way, I'm doing this very tutorial on the key of F. Your F. So the progression of this very song is the stay, your one, fast, your do, of the Lord, fa, never see, la. Your la on your left and your right, you can play your la, then your D. You get it? Re, again, the progression. Stay fast, love of the Lord. Your fa, your sol, your la, then your sol. Again, it's mercy, your do, your fa. This is the basis of playing this very song. So for your bass, see what I did here, the step, fast, love, the step, fast, love. This is a half step. You understand? That's, you play your re and your mi, the stay, fast, re mi, the stay, around you just play your mi to spice it up. So you stay fast of the Lord never your song mercy. You can play your fa mi. And you just a kind of freestyle. You can play anything here. But make sure you land on the next chord following the song. Something like this is stay far from the Lord, never see his end. Space I come to you every month. There is no particular progression. You can play anything, but make sure after that you get yourself to your fa, because that's the next chord. Hope you understood. You stay far, low, up, down, low, never see. Space, I come, so this part you play your so find me, then you every morning, so find me, see me from hope you are following your do till just try to be playing stuff like this for your left hand. There you every morning, you every praise a prayer for. It's very simple. Just to spice it up. They are new every morning. You every morning. Praise thy faithful. It's very simple. Yeah, do, so do. There ti, do, so do, do, so do, mi, do, so do, mi, la, mi, la. So something like just a movement. Just to spice it up. They are new every morning. You every morning. Be thy faithful. You understand? Every morning. Be thy faithfulness. You can decide to keep it simple as well, but just make sure you follow the progression of the very song and don't overplay. Understand? So let me play it now, then we'll call it a tutorial. Morning. If you want to learn it, just you can play this very tutorial over and over again and you get good at it. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. God bless you.